How to show a Snapchat story to one person? First of all, open a Snapchat application on your device. Make sure that you have been logged into your account. Then tap on Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on this profile feed, tap on gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll all the way down and on your privacy controls select View My Story option. Now tap on costume on this page and here select the people that you want to hide your Snapchat stories from. Then you can only keep one person here on blocked. After you have selected all the users on Snapchat, you can tap on block button at the bottom of the screen. And from this way, you can easily show a Snapchat story to only one person on Snapchat. So, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.